What's up, guys? It's Dana. Let's go ahead and start with the charts as usual. So, the very important question is Bitcoin gonna hold the critical level? Because if it breaks, it's not gonna be looking good. So, what's TA telling us? Okay, there is bullish divergence building on the 4-hourly. Okay, just a moment. Feels like the music is too high. Kind of distracting. Just a minute. Okay, I think it's better now. So we have hidden bullish divergence building, but this is the catch. Okay, we break below. If we break below this level, around these levels, 19,800, start any 4-hourly below it, this can be invalid. This bullish divergence that we are seeing can be invalid then, okay? So keep that in mind. I did make a short, or what do you call it? I did make a shorts video on YouTube, and I did talk about the fact that we were forming higher lows. So if this bullish divergence plays out, I can see us making another higher low. Like that would be that strange either, because if this builds, this level holds, we don't break down, and on top of it, we kind of have a bull flag on the 4-hourly. If you guys can see, or a parallel channel that we are respecting right now. We're still below the hard line though. But we can come all the way to, let's see now, just a minute. Of course, the same old resistance that we'd had, that we had around 20,600. So that is possible. Let's see now. Just a minute. Guys, by the way, it's nighttime where I am, so I just came because there was a lot of things going on fundamentally too. I'll get into it soon. There you go. Okay. So we can come back and test around, 20,700 areas. We break that, we can easily come to around 21,000 areas, these levels. But I don't see anything more than that. Like, okay, I see this midterm moving average rolling over, which is, I guess, okay, not a bad sign. But that was all 4-hourly we were speaking now. Like, there are some bullish factors on the 4-hourly, okay? But I think since we are in a bear market, we could just like probably be following this trend and make another, lower high around these areas, around the 21,000 areas. Just a minute. Let's see what the fib says. Just, yeah, around these areas. 21,000, 21,200. If and only if we break 20,700 areas and we start a new candle above it, okay? Otherwise, it could just stop there and reverse back down. Daily BTC USDT is I mean, it's looking bad. Daily USDT, BTC USDT is looking bad. Like, we are holding by a thread. We are holding like 19,800 levels by a thread, literally right now. But this looks far from over. And the monthly is gonna close today. Monthly candle is gonna be closing today. And let me just remove all the noise so I can read what this is telling me. This is not telling me something good. I mean, TA is not telling me something good when I'm looking at this. I mean, we're holding by a thread. We are holding by a thread. Like, there's nothing except for this until these levels. 14. Wow, ouch. Wow. So yeah, that's Bitcoin. Daily is not looking fresh. I mean, good. Monthly is not looking. I have nothing to say. But for hourlies, like, there's hope. So we could see some upside movement to 20,700 areas. We break that. TA is telling us it could go all the way to 21,200 areas, but we'll leave it there. By the way, guys, if you've been, if you subscribe to the channel, then you've seen those nice TA analysis that I did on Dogecoin before the dump, on Bitcoin before the dump. Like, it was like 15 minutes, 15 seconds or maybe 30 seconds maximum videos, but videos were worth to have a look at, because it takes like a few minutes of your life, but it teaches something. Just a minute, let me try to find it. Like I said, if you guys subscribe, if you like the content, subscribe and like and hit that bell button, because sometimes when I search for my videos on YouTube, I cannot find them. Let's see now. So yeah, one of them was this one, because we are gonna be getting into alts. So let's see now. Let me just pause the music so we can focus. Okay. So these videos, just a moment, just a minute. Oh Lord, just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. English. Okay. Okay, whatever. I can't find it. But anyways, we can have a look. We can still make it work. So, 2 days ago, like you might not understand this, but it's saying 2 days ago here, okay? In case you guys do not read this language, I made this video. It's like 30 seconds
Bitcoin is forming unfortunately
like
lower
long.
highs on the
Just
4-hourly time frame,
just
and
look.
it's not looking good TA wise. And if you want to know more, head over to my channel, watch my latest stream, and let me know what you think. If you like these short updates, subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. And here are those lower highs we're forming, just circled at the pink area. Bitcoin is forming unfortunately lower highs on the 4-hourly time frame, and it's not looking good TA wise. And if you want to know more, head over to my channel, watch my latest stream, and let me know what you think. If you like these short updates, subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. And here are those lower highs we're forming, just circled
Okay.
at the pink area.
So that was
Bitcoin is
one.
forming unfortunately lower
All
highs
right.
on the
And then I made one for Dogecoin.
Guys, it's Dana. Dogecoin is unfortunately not looking so good right now. We do have a Gravestone Doji. We are being rejected at resistance areas, critical areas. We do have divergence on the daily, bearish divergence on the daily, so we can easily come back and test 0.067 levels, 0.06 levels around these areas. So be cautious because TA is saying we can come back down. If you like these contents, subscribe,
Okay.
like, hit the
So I made these short clips, short videos. That's like sorry guys. It's like 35 seconds each, 30 seconds each maximum, not more. And if we look at Bitcoin, two days ago, prices were around these areas, and you saw it on the video, okay? In the video, I mean. And if you look at Dodge USDT, prices were at these areas like 0.07. Well, wait, Bitcoin must have been higher. Yep, Bitcoin was around 21.6 probably, something like that. So I made that video because I was saying, look, we didn't even come and test these areas yet. I think we were down here, somewhere here. And I said we could come to this area like and get rejected from here and just continue down. And then Dogecoin, even though this was the time frame I was showing, 4-hourly, okay? If you saw the video, you maybe realized just a minute.
Guys, it's Dana. Dogecoin is
Just a
unfortunately
minute. Okay, I hope you guys can see. You guys see here, this is the 4-hourly. I mean, here it is. I mean, this red candle didn't even exist yet, okay? This didn't even happen yet. So this was just like a green little doji when I was like making this video. But what warned me was the like how this was looking, the like candle situation. I didn't like it. And you guys see what happened after that? Just a minute, let me take this away. Okay, this happened after that. And I did say we could go down from 0.067 levels all the way down to like 0.06 levels. But I think these levels, according to TA, had like some type of demand zones, and it looks like we came all the way to 0.064 since then. So nice, very nice. Now let's go to Ethereum and see what's happening there. What's going on there? Okay, Ethereum got clearly rejected here. Like I was saying, I was saying like Ethereum is showing like a bit more strength than Bitcoin, but everything was gonna go down. Like a pullback was due on many things. So I was like talking about most altcoins and saying also that we shouldn't not like it's not areas where one should go long, because come on, it's imagine if you went long with on Dodge when it was at around 0.077 levels. Like, it wouldn't be the best thing. So you always have to do some TA, like do your research and stuff. Come, learn, watch the show, subscribe and like. Um, and then let me know what you guys think too, because I'd like to know what you guys think about the market, and we can learn from each other. So Bitcoin, Ethereum is breaking critical. It already broke 1,109 levels around these areas. Next support is around 1,050. If we break $1,050, yeah, next is 900, and we know how the story goes. If we break 900, yeah, it continues on. It continues on. So let's look at what the oscillators are telling us. RSI is still in neutral. No, sorry. RSI is in bearish territory. MACD is very bearish, which is not good. I do not like this. MACD looks very bearish, actually. Wow. It's not complete yet, but I do not like this. I do not like daily Ethereum, the way it's looking. Weekly, we're still forming bullish divergence. RSI is very bearish, like we're going into oversold territories. We're still below. Wow, that was a hard rejection at the long-term moving average. Look. So that strength I was talking about like a few days ago that we had, it's not there anymore, guys. Be very cautious. It's very important we hold $1,050 for us not to just drop. So cautious. Be cautious. Okay. So far, if you ask me, Bitcoin is like holding pretty okay around these levels. Yeah, the fundamentals. Right. This we have to speak about. So look what Michael Saylor been up to today. So this is from MicroStrategy Incorporated. MicroStrategy Incorporated. I just woke up. Okay. Anyway, and said, it states on June 29, 2022, I'm just going to make this short, not read everything. MicroStrategy announced that between the period of May 3rd and June 28th, they bought 480 bitcoins. Okay? 480 bitcoins for around $10 million at prices of around $20,817 per bitcoin, including fees and expenses. Okay? So as of June 28, 2022, as of before yesterday, MicroStrategy, together with its subsidiaries, they held around 129,699 bitcoins. Guys, what I'm wondering is, like, why is he still buying? Like, this was not a big buy, 480 bitcoins. Like, it was okay for $10 million. Maybe he's waiting to buy some more if it dips more, so he doesn't want to, like, go kind of all in now. We don't know. Or is he running out of cash? We don't know. All I know is Michael Saylor believes in Bitcoin. Simple. So total in total, the average price for all the Bitcoins they've bought is around $30,664. I mean, so from their last purchase, which was around 30,700 something, they've averaged down with $100 or something. I guess he's happy with that. I don't know. So that's the first interesting thing, and then the second thing that has happened. Let me see if I can find any news. So it's like, let's see. Yeah, okay. This is the other one. So Grayscale's ETF got rejected, guys, and Grayscale is suing SEC over Bitcoin ETF application rejection. Like, there's a lot of things going on, but the the rejection of the ETF itself is not a positive thing. So, like, there's a lot of bad fundamentals, like, coming out for Bitcoin here and there after this whole Duquan chaos. So it's still like there's no good fundamentals. It's looking weak when you look at the technicals. Like, wait, just a minute. Where did it go? All right. Look at the daily. I mean, look at the daily. This, my friends, is not something that is like screaming, we are okay. We are definitely not okay. Like, a lot of people were saying we were gonna go up and stuff on Twitter. Like, hype was starting when we were around 21.6, but we're still not bullish. Like, we're still in a bear trend, so we have to be cautious and look out for those, lower highs and lower lows and what's happening. The whole, read the Western indicators, read the Japanese indicators, do whatever you have to do, but be careful, because it's a good trading time, but going all in is like I do some good research before doing so, you know, like this is anyways a bull flag. On the 4 hourly is a bull flag. Combined, if it combines with this bullish divergence that's happening, and we break around 20,700 first, we can come to 21,200, 21,000 areas again. Okay, so let's go to, we did Ethereum, but was it enough? That's enough. Like if we hold 1050, the bullish divergence on the 4 hourly will probably play out. But nothing is complete yet. We've had some like nice wicks to the upside, but then these candles are like, but daily is looking bad. So I'm really talking about a very, very, very mini like upside action. Okay, nothing like more, both on Ethereum and Bitcoin, according to TA, and we'll see. So that's Ethereum USDT. Let's have a look at Ethereum Bitcoin. Yeah, it's not looking good anymore. Like it was looking okay, but it's not. We came to targets. We hit our targets. Like it's being rejected now. Important we hold like 0. Just a minute. Like 0.053 levels, around these levels. We held these. I think we held this. Could be okay. Okay. So Ethereum Bitcoin. Daily bearish divergence on the MACD. RSI is in bearish territory. 4 hourly, we have bullish divergence building, but it's not complete, so we'll see how it goes. There's also bullish divergence on the RSI, which is a good sign. So I see some very little strengths for a mini upside action. Wow, ugly volume, very ugly volume. Wow, that's on the hourly, by the way. Okay, so yeah, that's Ethereum. Until we break out of these levels, like we could just range, but we break out of this level, it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna get interesting. Yeah, we go out from 0.059 levels. I mean, if we close any daily above 0.061 levels, we can easily come to 0.066 satoshis. Okay, this is Ethereum versus Bitcoins, because Because if we break this, we have really not. If we break out from these areas, there's nothing holding us until like all the way up here. Okay, that's Ethereum, Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Matic. There was an example short that I took. I mean, a short that was an example. You can go back to my last stream, or no, my last stream. I think I don't remember, something like that, like 2-3 streams ago. I said that I would definitely not be longing at these areas. This is the thing. Yeah, it's good that we have those streams, because sometimes you can go back and have a look at it, you know, and see really what's oh, wait, I got a new subscriber. Whoever you are, thank you and welcome to the show, and I hope you're enjoying it. I just saw it. I don't know why I didn't update on my Stream Elements app, but I just saw number went up. Yay! Thank you and welcome. I hope you're enjoying it. So anyways, Matic. I'm gonna try to find that clip where I did this and I explained, because if you guys go back to my old like streams, like all of them are almost live streams. Wait, sorry. All of them are live streams except for the YouTube shorts. And the YouTube shorts are shorts I put out like as fast as I can, just to make sure, because I know I saw a lot of tweets about Dodge, and I was like, okay, let me look at Dodge. And Dodge did not look strong, and I saw people were being bullish, so I made that short out just to warn people. Then what people want to do, it's up to them. I'm not a financial advisor, but I was just saying, like, be cautious and have a look at this. Maybe it could like make you think about something, and hopefully it did. So let's have a look at that video. I can't believe this is like video number 50. We started from the bottom. All of us, even you guys watching the show, because you know, you guys are my back. So we started from the bottom. Now we got 19 subscribers and 50 videos, guys. It's nice. It makes me smile. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Where the hell is that video? Sorry for cursing. Date added, newest, date added, oldest. No, date added, newest. Upload live, no. Past live streams, okay. Guys, it's 4:19 by the way here. 4:19. I hope you are having a nice evening or a nice morning, but I can hear the birds like chirping and stuff. It's early. Okay, I couldn't find it in this stream. It must be maybe. Let's see. Not 6 days ago. It must have been 6 days ago. I don't know how people do this, what you call this timestamp. Maybe I should try to like put it on the videos. I'll try to learn how to do them. Maybe so it's easier for all of us to find things. But I'll try to learn. It's just time is so little. Oh, I found it. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys. So this was that video. Looking at the daily, like I wouldn't want to go short, but looking at the 4 hourly, I wouldn't mind like going short instead, just like short term, just zero, like till 0.47. I mean, no. Where is the? This is not a like. By the way, guys, this is not a short that I took literally. We were just talking about, you know, what happened with Matic. I can go back a little bit. Going short, and I was saying like I would not go long here, like but areas to go long were around these areas. Looking at the daily, like I wouldn't want to go short, but looking at the 4 hourly, I wouldn't mind like going short instead, just like short term, just zero, like till 0.47. I mean, no. Where is the? Let's say you get it somewhere. What the? You get it somewhere here. Notice, guys, this is pure education, okay? And I'm gonna explain to you like what happened. I hope the picture is clear for you guys. Maybe I should make it a little faster. Yes. So we can move on with our next thing. Well, I'm really taking my time. This is the thing, guys. I could do it like behind the screens and stuff, but like most of the things I put live, so you guys see too. Like that's the point of the whole education, right? Be cautious, okay? I see many bearish factors. I do not like. Candlesticks are looking good, but Western indicators are saying otherwise. And on the hourly, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, this was a shooting star that failed, but cautious. You see? Let's see if this candle closes like this. That wouldn't be good. Do you realize the stop loss was a little bit above this very critical level for Matic, okay? This was, by the way, like a week ago, before everything, I think around the 24th of June, right here somewhere, okay? And we did go up a little bit higher after that, okay, but notice, do you guys notice that we never went above or closed above these areas? If we did, we had a stop loss ready. Okay, there's a stop loss ready, because you should always make sure to manage your, you know, money correctly. If you take some advice from a financial advisor, like consultant, or like, you know, just stop losses are important, so you don't, in case, you never know, in case, because TAs, yes, TAs help a lot, TAs minimize risks and stuff, but TAs do not always work out. Like technical analysis is not 100% guarantee. It just like makes the probability of like it helps you know, it gives you more, it gives you a bit more touch of which way things can be going, okay? It helps you see that. It helps you find reversal points. It helps you find entry points. It helps you find support levels and resistance levels and this and that. But it's not always a guarantee that it's gonna work to 100%. Now, these trades that we talked about was good, right? But then there was one trade that I spoke about that was like the TA was nice, but the TA didn't like work out. It went up a little bit, then it failed and it went down. And we are also gonna talk about that because it's important also to see when, because now we've seen a lot where the analysis I made kind of more or less like matched with what happened, okay? But I think there's also one coin from all those that I spoke about that didn't, like TA didn't really play out the way it should have. It had a little pump, but it was too weak. So everything depends on the market. The minute like Bitcoin started saying goodbye to us again, it was gonna take everything with it. Plus, we saw there was a lot of, most of them reached those, you know, rejection levels like Matic and Dodge and Ethereum, all of those, okay? So cautious. Anyway, and then the last video I made, the one that I showed you was 6 days ago, and the last video I made, I think 2 days ago, I did say I was gonna stick to this short. I was gonna stick to it because, like, look at this. Okay, look at this. There's volume building. Volume was building, okay? Like there's sell pressure, there's this bearish divergence, okay? There's this bearish divergence here too. Like two bearish divergences on the RSI and the MACD, okay? Two. And look at the look, we got resistance, and then we get this candle telling it all, and then follow through. Like the moment we broke out of 0.571 level and we closed below it and we started below it, that was it, okay? So that's Matic. It's still gonna be going down. Unfortunately, I don't think it's done yet. As a matter of fact, I think we can go all the way to 0.41, 0.4 levels. Not much holding us until these levels, I think. 0.42, but very possible we're gonna go a bit more lower. So cautious, guys, and then we will see. We will see what happens. We don't hold here. We could come here. It's okay. No problem. No problem if we come here and bounce. The problem is gonna be when we break it, okay? Then it's gonna be an issue. Let me just turn off this YouTube. Had my own stream on. So okay, that's Matic USDT, guys. I don't have a lot of good news about it. Let's look at Matic Bitcoin. Where is it? There. Yeah, Matic Bitcoin was one of those beautiful ones. Bull flag, breakout. We have bearish divergence on the daily, both on the RSI and the other one, both oscillators. Okay, look now. So we have to keep one thing in mind. We saw Bitcoin USDT got bullish divergence on the 4-hourly. Ethereum USDT got bullish divergence on the 4-hourly. Now Matic versus Bitcoin got bullish divergence on the 4-hourly. I mean, so could it be that even the altcoins versus Bitcoins are also gonna have this, little mini pump to the upside, and not only alts versus USDT, because if Bitcoin is gonna have this little mini short term, just it's not even like rally. I can't call it a rally. It's just some upside action, another lower high probably if we don't break out of those, critical levels that I spoke about in the beginning of the stream. Of course, then alts could follow it, but I do see strength on the 4-hourly Matic Bitcoin. Let's see now. Where do we have support? We are at support levels. Right now, we are at support levels. If we start any candle below, like 23,080 satoshis, 24,000 satoshis, not 24,000, sorry, 2,403 satoshis, or 2,372 satoshis, it could be ugly, ugly, as in we can come back lower. Oh yeah. Okay, not so ugly. It's like 200 satoshis less. We'll see what happens. But if we hold the midterm moving average around 2,100 satoshis, 2,200 satoshis, that is if we break 2,380 satoshis, it's not a big thing. So I'm seeing strength in alts versus BTC, but not on the daily. I do not like this. You see all those wicks to the downside. I do not like this. And you guys see, every time I come and make analysis based mostly on the way I do it, most of the time the analysis shows that it's right, because it plays out. But I do not like this. I'd say, hold on, I wouldn't be longing gladly here, because I want to see some type of strength, at these areas, because this bullish divergence could easily be invalid, if we close below 2,400 satoshis, okay? No, sorry, if we open any candle below 2,400 satoshis. That's what I meant. And then we close below it, okay? 4-hourly, it's gonna be important. If we do that, we're in trouble. Friends, we are in trouble. Matic is in trouble, to be more precise, not we. Okay, so that's Matic Bitcoin. What happened to Phantom? Oh, not so shocking, right? Because we spoke about this bear flag. It broke out of it, and it's going down. Yes, sir. And we didn't have any bearish divergence on the daily. We didn't. but the negative momentum hasn't even started. Could it come? Maybe it won't come, and we just, turn around these areas. We do have support at around 1,190 satoshis. Around. So if we break, if we close below 1,291 satoshis, which looks like it could be possible on the 4-hourly, then 1,200 areas, something like that, around these levels, we can come. So you see another altcoin versus BTC strength. And remember, the first short I was saying, guys, have a look. It was that, and this was a while ago now, and I said alts versus BTC, like, I know the market is like depressing, but if people have a look at alts versus BTC, maybe they could see something, else except red in the market. So yeah, that's Phantom Bitcoin, okay? And Phantom USDT. What did we say? If we break out of these levels, what happens? We are gonna go lower. Like, we broke out of this one first time, but we held this trend line, this crucial trend line. Look, we didn't break out of it. So we kind of came back and tested it again. Not to the dot, but around. Works for me. And then we went back up. Hit what? Hit our targets. You see this? I don't know if you guys can see this red dot on the dashed line. We hit our targets. We came back down, and now on the 4-hourly we are forming bullish divergence. If we do not break below 0.25 levels, if we can hold 0.25 levels, we don't close below it, we don't open below it on the 4-hourly, we're good. There is bullish divergence on the 4-hourly, and well, it's looking good. 4-hourly is looking good. Daily, no bearish divergence. I mean, oscillators are just going with the price action. Our RSI is still in bearish territories, nothing new there. I mean, we break 0.25 levels, guys, there is nothing holding us until 0.21, something like that. So that's Phantom USDT. I'd like hold on and see what happens. Chill when it comes to, long term. But hey, 4-hourly is looking good. 4-hourly is looking okay. As long as we do not break 0.25 levels. I'm telling you, if we close below it and we open one below it, and when we open one, we close below it, it's not gonna be looking good. I like this candle. I see, okay guys, I see short-term, like the short-term TA is saying short-term action, upway action can happen, but I really mean short-term, meaning like it's nothing big. Phantom, we could. Let's see now. yeah, we can come back and test, 0.31 if we can break 0.28, 0.27 levels. If we break above it, we can come back and test 0.31 levels, okay? Because we do have some type of resistance around these areas, as you guys can see. All the support and resistance I can mark it. Is this good? Yes, it's good. Oh, oh. So somewhere around this shorter moving average, okay? That would be nice. Shorter moving average is, by the way, above midterm moving average, which is not a bad sign at all. We're talking about short term, I mean very short term, okay? Upside action. So you guys do not mistake what the TA is telling us. Monthly. May the Lord help us, because monthly is I have nothing good to say right now. This moment. At this moment I have nothing good to say. Let's pray 0.17 holds for Phantom, because if it doesn't, oh guys. But the way things are looking, we might see those prices after our little upside action. Who knows? By the way, guys, 2 minutes breaks. This is Dana. Welcome to the stream. I hope you like these contents. I do traditional TA. That's what I do. I enjoy it. I like doing it. But streaming is another thing. I'm learning though. And if you like these contents, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, and hit that bell so you guys can get notified before I go live. And share it with your friends and stuff, so we can beat the algorithm, so it's easier for the stream to reach out to other people, like to be easily found. And I appreciate all the love and all the support and all the subscribers, guys. I really appreciate it. It makes me all warm and fuzzy. Thank you. Okay. How long have I been live? 1 hour. Okay, guys, I need like to take a maximum 4 to 5 minute break. I will leave the Bitcoin chart on, okay? And then we will have a look at Solana. We will have a look at, where is the other one? Let me put the 10-minute chart for you guys. Otherwise, I think this is better, right? Okay. We're gonna have a look at Solana, and we are gonna have a look at Aave. Yeah, Aave and AVAX. So Solana, Aave, and AVAX is what we're gonna have a look at next, and we'll see if there's anything else that looks interesting. All right, Luna Classic. I forgot. Luna Classic too. We can have a look at it. But Bitcoin is kind of holding critical levels right now. I mean, so far it is, but we'll see. I don't know if I should put the 10-minute chart one or the 1-minute chart one. Yeah, I mean, this works out. We can go to 20,300. Like, but there is resistance here around 20,300 areas. Well, we will see. But I like this action going on here. I like it. Like, yes, I should be going. Yes, I should be going. But as usual, I get stuck with the chart. I'm just trying to draw our support line before I leave for a 5-minute break. And voila. Okay. Okay. So we hold. If we're still here, not below this line until I come back, we're like we're probably gonna see an upside action like soon. A little bit short term. Do not be confused. TA is saying short term because overall trend is looking bad, very bad, guys. Okay. So okay, let me stretch my legs and I'll be back in 5 minutes, guys. So guys, I'm back. So Bitcoin holding on, like we said, huh? It wants to do some upside dancing a little bit. So let's go and have a look at Aave, the trade that really didn't play out because it was too weak. It was just too weak. So, um, we came all the way back to around, support areas, as you guys can see, and kind of bounced on the 4 hourly. But let's look at what TA is telling us as usual. So we don't have any bearish divergence. Just a moment, guys. I think, let's see now. Where is it? Where is it? Euro, ARB, US. Okay, just a minute now. Like I'm seeing something. I spy something. Let's see now if it makes any sense at all. Hmm. Ladies and gents, look at what we have here. Okay, now, um, you guys see this? This is very interesting. Of the USDT, like you see when the I spice and you actually draw it out and it makes sense. Let's remove all indicators. Makes sense, right? We have a descending wedge, which usually tell us there is like a higher chance of a breakout to the upside. But what do we learn from all these other trades that played out when, not trades, all these other analysis that played out? What we learned is if it doesn't break and bounce back and then doesn't move, then be cautious because it could be a trap. So we are like around resistance areas trying to break out, but Ave kind of failed. This is why, according to me, the trade failed. When we were looking at it, it was above these areas. It was somewhere here, maybe. Okay, somewhere around these areas. Let's see. Yeah, somewhere around these areas. And I said, if we can break out of like $70, if we can break out of $70 and close a candle above around $70, okay? Close a candle above $70 and start one above it, like this is around these areas, and then start one above it, and we have some type of follow through, we could see what? $86, you know, Like we break $86, we could see higher, like up to 95, 90 something, you see. But look what happened. We got rejected at the midterm moving average. We broke down below this crucial level. If you see, there's a line here, like I don't know, there's a parallel, channel, the upper side, that was acting as some type of support. Do you see these areas? Okay, but it didn't work out. It failed heavily. It's weak. It's one of the weak ones. It's one of the weak ones. Of is definitely one of the weak ones when I look at other, when we've seen at other, you know, projects right now. I mean, price actions. I don't know fundamentally what's going on with it, but price action wise, yeah. So we are at around support levels, but if we break that, there is really nothing holding us until 46 again, and we can come back and test these areas. So yeah, Av is not looking that good. Our size neutral on the daily, not neutral, sorry, it's on the bearish side, and 12 hourly also bearish. There's no bullish divergence on the 12 hourly either, and I mean 4 hourly there is bullishness. 4 hourly there is bullishness. Like it's not strong though, and it's not complete, so I wouldn't count that much on it. Okay, Ave, like there's much better coins. Like let's wait and see until there's some breakup. But I would definitely not be like longing at these areas, like up here, like okay here with a little stop, loss maybe around this area, so it doesn't just. I mean, stop loss around this area, so it doesn't, crash to the downside. But not, I wouldn't long here. Like I'd rather wait till it gets back to these levels, like $48, and see if it holds. If it doesn't hold, then there's another chance here, you see, because it's been respecting the wedge. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. So that is Aave. Now Solana. I bet we're gonna see bullish divergence here too, right? No. No bullish divergence on Solana. Huh. Okay. So Solana daily, there is a little bearish divergence, but I think it's kind of playing out. It might continue a little bit more, but there's definitely a little bearish divergence going on. And RSI is bearish territory on the RSI. Like Solana's looking weak, guys. Solana's looking weak. Like if we break these levels, $26. You remember the levels we were talking about? Like you guys can see it. Like be careful. $20 is not far away to start with. $20. We break 20. That's when the chaos is gonna start for Solana. But so far, I guess it's holding by a thread too. But I do not like the daily action. Like I think this is not done yet. Look, there's volume building. Sell pressure is building too. Okay, so 4 hourly. Yeah, we already spoke about there is no bullish divergence compared to some others that we already have had a look at. Just a minute. Gonna change the playlist. Okay. So Solana, yeah, I'd chill a little bit because if we break, yeah, we break around $31 and we open and close the 4 hourly candle below it. Yeah, because I don't see anything like there's nothing indicating any reversal right now. Nothing. This inverted, sorry, not inverted hammer. This hammer failed. Um, all this indecision brought nothing. Like this looks like some type of bearish engulfing candle if it closes in this way. And daily, nothing indicating reversals. And when we look at the Western indicators, there's nothing there either. So it's one of the weaker ones also, Solana. Solana price action, one of the weaker ones compared to FTM and Ethereum and some others we had a look at. I don't like it. Short-term moving average is above all the other ones, the midterm and long-term on the 4 hourly, but daily is not looking good. Also rejected by the short-term moving average at the same time around that area, you know? So, I don't know. I'd wait it out and see if there's any strength, like. And obviously we saw there were other coins that were better to maybe spend some time in instead of Aave and Solana. They're really not looking too appealing right now. Okay, daily Decentraland versus Bitcoin, okay? We do have some type of bearish divergence that is kind of playing out. Mana. And we are in like we are above neutral territories on the RSI. This is daily, which shows strength actually. We do have bullish divergence on the 4 hourly as well. Not bad, not bad. Seems like we do have some type of support around this area and around 4251 area. Looks like we held. Let me do this so we can mark it. Okay. So we're holding as long as we like, we can even come down and come to 4056 satoshis. But if we break below that, then it's gonna be another story, okay? Next support would be around 3562 levels. You guys look left, you see here, but it's already marked, so key levels are already marked, so we'll see what happens. That's main at Bitcoin, and yeah, Decentraland versus USDT is not looking better. Okay, let's look at what TA is saying. So there is no bearish divergence. Price action is just following oscillators. RSI is below neutral territory, which is not a good sign, necessarily not. 4 hourly, there is hidden bullish divergence on MENA USDT. Yeah, we do have some strong support at these areas. You see, if you like kind of extend the heart line, you see that it matches. So we do have support here, okay? But if we break it, it's not that bad as long as we do not break 0.79 level and close below it. Then the bullish divergence would be a bit invalid. So we gotta hold, okay? So that was MENA USDT. What else is there? Or maybe this is enough for today, and I'll be back later tonight. And yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is holding so far. So far, it's okay. So you guys know the critical levels that we have to hold for us to see the mini upside action, which TA is saying there is a chance of that happening. Like there's a big chance, not a big chance, but the chances are more of that happening because we have a lot of bullish factors. We took out the bull flag, we took out the bullish divergence. Like as long as we do not close below 19787, a start candle below it, open below it, you're okay. Like it's okay then. If we can do that, like and break and then go up to 20,700 areas and get rejected, that's it. Like then it's telling us the market is this week, okay? But if we break out of it, we can come and see, remember, like 21 2 to 25 21 5 areas, 21,500 areas to from 21 2,000 areas to 21, let's just say 21,000 to 21 like 21,500, but I'm leaning more towards 21,200 somewhere at these areas, okay? Because look left, if I extend this, it's kind of the same areas it's showing, okay? So Bitcoin is holding out via thread. I like these 4 hourly candles. indicating buyers pushing on Ethereum. Anyway, be cautious, guys, okay? Thank you for joining the stream. I appreciate it. I appreciate the subscribes, the likes, the support, and the contributions, okay? And I'd give a hug to each and one of you if I could. Thank you. I'll see you on my next live stream, and if you like these contents, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like and hit the bell to be notified before I go live next time. And I do create some YouTube shorts sometimes, not sometimes, I've been doing it pretty often. Like, try to keep an eye on them. It's only like 35 seconds worth of like good education, like 35 seconds of something that could make you think, you see? So or maybe as sometimes 60 seconds, like as at highest. So keep an eye, be cautious, and remember, if you do not have a plan, your plan is to fail, okay? Be kind to one another, and I'll see you on my next live stream, probably tonight, if not tomorrow, but I think tonight, okay? Bye for now.